To enable voice to text on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first let's go to Google Messages, for example, and we're gonna open any of these conversations where we want to use the voice to text. Now, on your keyboard, you should be able to find this microphone here on the right side, so you can tap on it. And if you do this for the first time, you will need to grant it the access to the microphone for the keyboard, of course. And then whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text. So if you enable it for the first time, it might be slightly laggy, but as you can see, it picks up quite easily. And then we can of course tap on the microphone again in order to deactivate the microphone, so the voice to text is now deactivated. In case you do not have this microphone in here, we can tap on these 4 squares on the left side and then tap on this setting icon at the top. And once you open the settings of the keyboard, go to the voice typing and make sure that voice typing is enabled. And you can also enable faster voice typing. Leave a like and subscribe.